Alright guys, welcome to PK's Gaming World. This is eBay Break 1 2017 Panini XR Box Break. Today's February 9th, 2018. Alright guys, one box break. Good luck everybody. All your team is on the side over here. It's on the side over here. So good luck. Let's go. Yes, more power you did. Get the Titan. Huh, I probably didn't write your name on there. Double check on that real quick. Yes, you did get it. Somehow I deleted the name and I colored it green. But you're good to go. Alright. Now let's open. Let's hope we pull some fire in here. Good luck everybody. Let's go. Alright. 2-pack. Empty box. Alright, first pack. Good luck everybody. Let's get some monster here. Alright. Alright, there it is. Gonna put my PK's Gaming World on top. Take out the first card. It's gonna be Solomon Thomas. Next one's going to be hits, so we're going to switch. Let's go to the back. Got Matt Forte. This box is nice. I saw a couple cards. Eli Manning. A Tyrese Bowser. 123 out of 199. A Hassan Reddix. 117 out of 299. Red. Pretty neat. Alright, so let's go to the printing plate. We got printing plate of R. Joshua Dobb for the Steelers. Jeremy, you got a printing plate. So it's going to be a good day for you already. Look at that. Printing plate, 1 of 1. Looks like a pretty clean printing plate. And it's a magenta plate, 1 of 1. Pretty neat. And our hit is going to be Mac Holland. 63 out of 99 for the Eagles. Goes to Bacon Bit. Bacon Bit is Michael, right? Got your hit. I think you're good luck in eBay. Got another hit on eBay. Put some thumbs up, Michael. Gotta put some thumbs up. eBay's doing pretty well for you. Pretty neat. Yeah, 63 out of 99. Pretty neat. All right, that's the first pack. Let's go second pack, guys. Good luck. All right. All right. Garyon Connolly. Brandon Marshall. Golden Tate. Jamal Adams for the Jets. 55 out of 299. Red. You got a blue, Reuben Foster. 65 out of 199. Let's go with this one. This one's actually pretty nice. Boom. 3 color patch. 5 out of 10. Taiwan Taylor. I believe this is gold. And this goes to the Tennessee Titans. And that goes to Mopao. Mopao got your first hit on the eBay break. Pretty neat. That's a pretty low number. Nice looking card right there. Guess this is a very big patch, so I had to get a pretty big top loader for it. There you go. 5 out of 10. Pretty neat. And the last hit, guys. Boom! Leonard Fournette. I knew it was going to hit this guy somehow. We haven't pulled this guy at all. Ooh, who got the Jaguar? Flying Brian took it the last minute before we start. You just hit a monster. 23 out of 49. Look at that. Pretty neat. Just for $10, you got yourself a monster. Pretty neat. Put some thumbs up, Flying Brian. Yeah, put some thumbs up. Pretty sick. I mean, I should put a one touch. You want a one touch for that? All right. Do you want a one touch for it, or do you just want it in a regular top loader? I gotta go grab the one touch. I'll put it in the one touch. It deserves to be in one touch. Pretty nice card. We haven't hit this guy at all. That's pretty sweet. There we go. Pretty nice hit. Yep, I like to one touch it, put it into one of these team bag, so when you ship it, water won't get inside, in case USPS don't take care of the package. But pretty nice. Look at that. Monster hit. Boom. Last second pick, and you got yourself a monster card. Pretty neat. Alright, let's recap. We got the Fournette, Taiwan Taylor, 3-color patch, Mac Holland, and a printed plate. Knew this box was going to be great. It would be a monster box. And that was my last XR box too. Alright. So that's about it for my eBay break. I got placed and patch up. So go check that out. We could break that tonight. And I'm going to set up for the Facebook break, the division break. So that's about it, guys. Keep checking back. This is PK's Gaming World. See you guys.